Oh, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Last time I introduced to you the Microsoft Office Word, and today I'm going to take you briefly through one of the applications of the Microsoft Office Word, that is the PowerPoint. I'm going to take you briefly the introduction to PowerPoint, how you can use it, and how you can access the Microsoft PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, by simple definition, is like the presentation software developed by the Microsoft. It also form part of the Microsoft Office suite, and it used to create a slideshow that combine text, images, graphics, animation, and media element. Um, for you to open the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can come to the Start button and you click on there and you select. You go to you roll through, and where you get a PowerPoint, that's where you're going to open it. Going to click on here, like for my case is now opening. You'll find other things based on here, but for our case we're going to deal with the blank presentation, the blank part, which is free and has nothing. So let's open it, and I take you through how you can use and how you can make a slideshow, how you can make a you can you can make your work in the presentation type. Let's click on it and open. So this one is our slide. It's like a sheet, but in a PowerPoint it refers to slide. So this one you can type in anything that you want. Now we can put our heading for this presentation to be transport. Let's type in transport, and this this one is our title. We can put the subtitle here down. We can make it presented by Oketayot. Presented by Oketayot here. So this one is our first slide, and you can also add another slide here if you want. You can come and click on a new slide, then you scroll through and then you add another slide. So let's add another slide here. Let's add another slide. You come to new slide, you click on it. So this one is giving us another slide here where you can add another work here. Like for our case, for our heading, it's a transport subheading presented by Ukadayot, and you can also add another thing on transport that that can go hand in hand with transport. You can type a type of transport to be your heading. Types of transport. Types of transport. Types of transport. Yeah, this one is our heading. Now you come to the subheading side, where in our heading here you can make some of the modification. You can decide this one. You can decide to take it in the middle to look very nice. Yeah, like this one to be in the middle. You can also make it bold. You can make it be in capital letters, in any design that you want. But for my case, I'm going to leave it like this. And you come down to the subtitle type. You type in the type of transport that you want to talk about it. You can say road transport. Yeah, road transport. Okay. road transport. Yes, this one is briefly the subheading that you want to talk about is the road transport. This one also you can do some modification here if you want. You can decide to take it in the middle or you can take it to the flank. But for my case, I also want to bring it in the middle here so that if I want to talk more briefly, more like I wanted to talk more transport, yeah, I want to talk more on a road transport. I can make anything about it. So I can also add another slide here. Like I said, I can add another slide here. Like yeah, let's make this one. We add another slide. This one. Okay, this one is our another slide. You can make some of the layout from it. You can make it to be in this form, like this one. You want to talk about you want to talk more about on road transport as stated there on that button. We are going to talk more on the road transport, road transport. So let's take it to the middle. Yes, this one you can give it to be the advantages of road transport, advantages, and then also this part here you can make it to be the disadvantages, disadvantages of road transport, disadvantages of road transport. Yeah, this one. Now you can give anything on advantages, anything on disadvantages, depending on the content that you have. You can list here the advantages of road transport, like they are cheap, they are available. They are also on the side of the disadvantages, they are slow, easily affected by rain. It's also time consuming. Yeah, those are the disadvantages of the road transport. Like if you want to talk more about it. So in the PowerPoint also you can make some of the designs, anything that you want. Like if you want design, like how you want your work to be appear, in which way. So you can come to the side written design and click on there. You choose the design that you want your slide to be, like this one. This one is a design that you want your work to be to appear like, because of we have something called the transition. Transition is like how your slide will change from one slide to another, like when you're finished presenting other work on one slide, you can transition to another. Transition is like changing something, and also you can come to make some of the animation. Yes, animation you can make it to appear in any color that you want, like this one to appear in rewind, fade, flighting. Also we have the slideshow, like this one here. It will make your work to continue, it be rolling up there. You can also do various things that you want on on a PowerPoint slide, but don't forget to save your work. If you want to save your work, you'll save it in the same way. You come here, yes, save this file, transport, the file name. Yeah, you want to, this one is going to be your file name. Like my case, I can put my name, I can put anything, but I'm going to let it be transport. So if you want to save, you come and type save. Here your work is already saved. This is how you can easily use and access what the PowerPoint. This one will help you when you want to prepare your work for presentation. If you'll be going for some of the seminar there, so this one will help you. All right, thank you so much.